everybody. My name is Saumya. And first of all, I want to thank you, ma'am, and everybody who's present here because first of all, I really liked your presentation, ma'am. The way you kept smiling and the way you delivered everything so appropriately. It was very encouraging and engaging at the same time. And the session wasn't boring at all. This webinar called Social Emotional Learning, it's very interesting and engaging. Initially, I didn't think that it would be that interesting, but I really liked it. And it's lovely to see that everybody was participating with the same zeal and enthusiasm. So it's great. And I really like the part when you mentioned that it's very important that you aware yourself first and then others, because we have so many things that we need to change in ourselves and we need to improve. So if we are helping ourselves first and putting ourselves in that frame where we can see ourselves, when we can see through us, then we can better understand others and help them. So